Yo, it's time to talk about all the crazy stuff that happened during the week that affected the market, like DeepSeek, the Fed pausing the rates. I got my notes down here. Feds paused the rate cuts, and I got Elon Nazi on here, but I know that was last week, but I gotta talk about it because that was crazy. DeepSeek is China's AI. It's China's Chat GPT. All right, they're saying that it is better than ChatGPT. It is more efficient, and it was trained on better technology models or whatever it is. So they're saying that this is better. The only people that are saying that is China, though. So of course you're gonna come out with your own stuff. And you're gonna say it's better this, better that. And when it came out, Nvidia tanked. Nvidia tanked. Nvidia literally tanked. Like, I don't know, they lost billions of dollars in one day. I think that was like the second most a company has lost in one day. It tanked. All I see is a discount. All I see is a sale, because Nvidia is not gonna say the only, but it's the main number one source of chips, chip manufacturing, not chip manufacturing. The GPUs, like the GPUs in the we get our chips from Taiwan. Taiwan Semiconductor makes all our semiconductor chips, and then all that stuff comes here to America, and they do what they do. So Nvidia, Nvidia is responsible for all the AI stuff, the computing power needed. They make the GPUs, the processors. That's what it is. They use the processor. They use the chips from Taiwan Semiconductor in their processors. That's what it is. They use them. They use that in their basically anyway. And Nvidia is the number one processor and graphics card manufacturer in America. It is number one. They are leading the AI charge as far as the hardware, alongside Microsoft, because Microsoft has a partnership with OpenAI, and OpenAI owns ChatGPT. So if you're gonna bet on AI, Microsoft and Nvidia are the two American plays that you're gonna vote for, that you're gonna put your money into, if you're gonna invest for AI. Trump is not about to let a Chinese AI model come over here and take over. Wow, Trump is going to shut that down. Trump is not going to let that happen. And I don't know why. I don't even know why the market would tank due to, it's just called fear. It's really called fear. People are fearful. The market, it's no real thought into it. People just see there's another AI model, and they want to sell they're scared, so they're going to sell their Nvidia. But yo, this breeds competition. If now Nvidia has competition, now they're going to push 10 times harder. Now they're going to make even more products. Now other businesses, other AI and chip companies are going to 10x. They're going to put harder work into what they're doing, because they have competition now. Just like with the this is nothing more. What's happening right now is nothing more than the space race. This is our space race. And ChatGPT and DeepSeek is the Sputnik. DeepSeek is one of the Russians sending one of their mission. They rockets up and giving us competition. Okay, this is that. All right, this is our space race. More competition, more innovation. Faster technology grows, the faster it progresses, because people are trying to get the things faster. This is nothing more but a good time to get Nvidia on sale. Nvidia right now is, oh my God, it tanked even more today. Nvidia is 119 right now, bro. all-time high is, well, they did do it. They had a split. So anyway, right now Nvidia is 119, bro. You could pick up an entire share. You could pick up an entire share of the leading company that's going to be responsible for robotics and AI in America. Yo, go get you some Nvidia, not financial advice. But I do not think DeepSeek is going to knock Nvidia off, and especially because it's Chinese. Trump is going to shut that down, bro. Trump is going to shut that down, and even if he don't, it's Chinese. It's not. The Fed pauses their rate cuts. Let's talk about that. That's good for the economy. Jerome Powell said that they're not in a rush. They shouldn't be. They got the soft landing they were looking for. I mean, there's not really much to say about that. It's good for the markets, I guess. So let's talk about Elon Musk being a Nazi, bro. Is Elon Musk a Nazi? Do you think Elon Musk is a Nazi? Let's talk about it. Now look at that. You think Elon Musk is a Nazi? He did this little gesture on stage. Honestly, whether he meant to do the gesture or not, whether he meant to do that gesture or not, whether he meant to do that, whatever, remember, whether he meant to do that or not, why hasn't he come out and said, all he has to say is, you know, I apologize for the gesture I made on stage. It may have resembled this, but I assure you I didn't. Instead, he is causing chaos he's not even denying it. He's kind of letting other people do the talking for him, and he's letting people fight for him on Twitter and stuff. It's chaos, bro. He's reposting people that are talking good about him. He's using Twitter as his megaphone, bro, and he's letting Twitter decide whether he meant that or not. Whether he meant that or not, whether he meant to do that or not, he has an obligation as someone of that, as this stature, as a figure of that stature. You got an obligation to at least make a statement saying, I didn't mean to do that. I'm awkward and I'm weird. I did that on accident. Now you could do that at least, but he did not do that. So he's letting the chaos. I think it was a dog whistle. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like a signal to people of that group. Yeah, letting them know that I'm one of you. Like, literally, what the heck was that? He did it twice. How do you explain that? If he's awkward, if you do that the first time, you don't be like, oh wait, maybe I shouldn't do that again. He did it twice. He did it to the crowd, and then he did it to the flag. And then he didn't even say, my heart goes out to you. He said he did it, and then said, my heart goes out to you. Hey, bro, we're going to leave it up to Twitter like he doing, bro. We're going to leave it up to the population, bro. I'm just saying that if all Buddy got to do is say, I didn't mean to do that, it did resemble it, my fault, and leave it at that. You own Twitter. You can't come up with a statement like that. What you talk? Elon was cool up until that point. Now I'm like, I don't know, bro. Buddy was cool, bro. He got all these Iron Man. He got all these satellites around space. He got SpaceX. He's sending rockets to Mars and catching them out of the sky. He's catching rockets out of the sky. I know y'all seen that. It's crazy. What else is he doing? He got the Neuralink chips. He got the self-driving cars. It's all crazy. He's pushing the innovation. He was cool up until that point. Now I'm like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. But yeah, we're going to wrap this one up for now. That's it. That's all I have on the topic of the week for right now. I know there's some other stuff like Trump talking about tariffs and all this other stuff, and yeah. So if you want to join a community, that talks about stocks all the goddamn time. We talk about crypto, we talk about the markets, we talk about everything. We do it all the time. That's all we talk about in there. We call it the plays. We do all that. If you want to join this community for free, it's going to be in the description or in the comments or whatever. You know what the it's going to be down there. It's Culture Shock Investments. That's the name of the community. It is a community that is just based on helping others, bro, helping other people that are trying to make some money out here in this market, bro, or even you're just interested in what's going on out here. You want to stay in tune with what's going on out here, bro, tap in, because I'm trying to start doing some Discord sessions where we just in there talking about the market. Maybe we do some charting in there, yeah, do some trading maybe. We do live trading in the mornings. We do live trading in the morning sometimes on Spaces and on Discord, so you can definitely catch all that. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Join the community if you want some more, and I'm gonna come out with another video next week on what things about the market, all that crazy stuff. Hey, bro, but be easy out here. Be the best version of yourself. You know what I'm saying? Forget any of the negative thoughts and lock in.